Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your M1 Finance account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your M1 Finance account, begin by visiting the official M1 Finance website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, provide your first and last name as requested. After that, enter your phone number for account verification purposes. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input that code into the designated field to verify your phone number. Once verified, you will need to provide your residential address. This information is necessary for your account setup. Now, you must enter your date of birth to comply with regulations. You will also need to answer a few questions regarding your financial experience. These questions help M1 Finance tailor its recommendations to your needs. Next, you'll need to link a bank account to fund your investments. Provide your bank account details in the required fields. This includes your account number and routing number. M1 Finance will then confirm your bank account ownership. This may take a few minutes, as it involves a small trial deposit. Once your bank account is verified, review the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through M1 Finance's policies. Agree to the terms to proceed with account activation. Now, you can set your investment preferences and risk tolerance. This will help M1 Finance create a personalized portfolio. After completing these steps, your account will be activated. You can now log into your M1 Finance account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to see your investment options and start managing your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.